Good afternoon, everyone. It is Friday, January 16th, here, third period for English 5C. This is the makeup class, so that's why we're meeting today here on Friday. And I want to do something a little bit different with you today, but first, what's most important is going over the assignments that you have. You don't have many, okay? Basically, well, let's start from the very top. I want you to take a survey that I made. This is not with the university. I made this. And I just want you to honestly tell me what you think about the class. So there are only 2 questions on this, okay? And you can answer them either in English or in Japanese, okay? And you might not be able to see this. Let me make it a little bit bigger. What is good about the class? And what do you think should be improved? I would prefer you writing in English, but because I want you to be completely honest and tell me very much what you're thinking, I want you to be able to answer this in Japanese. Okay? Now, your name is not connected to these answers. I don't know who's writing what, so I want you to be completely honest. The system is designed so I don't know whose name is connected to any of these answers. Okay, so I'd like you to do that. For warming up today, we're going to be using this Quizlet. Okay, now let me see here. Okay, I'll put it here. This system is supposed to have a system maintenance between 3 o'clock and 5 o'clock today. So sometimes that changes. It becomes earlier, it becomes later, and sometimes it becomes earlier to 1:30. So I would actually like you to access this week's Quizlet right now. Please access it right now, because if that system maintenance kicks in, you might not be able to access the page. I'm not really even sure if the system maintenance kicks in, you'll be able to access Quizlet, but let's see. At least if you access this right now, it might be a little bit better for us overall. Let me continue. Your homework submission is your last homework submission. Okay, so you don't have any more to do after this. This is due on January 19th. As usual, follow the instructions, write your answers, take a picture, send it up to Moodle. And you have this week's reflection about vaccines and vaccination. Last week, I got my flu vaccine, finally. I've been thinking about it for a long time, but I just got it last week. So what about vaccines for you? As usual, watch the video, write your answer, and send that up to Moodle. Okay. We don't have many people today, but that's okay. I've designed this so that because it's Friday, some people might not be able to come, but it'll still be a fun class, I think, but it won't be so important for the people who didn't come. Okay. If you have any questions, you can always just come and talk to me here, or you can get to my email address, jdmcruz@gmail.com. Let's have a good class, everyone.